Colleen. I'm a member of the Archaeobotany team here at the dig at Ashkelon. I'll talk to you right now a little bit about what we find when we do flotation. So with the flotation, as you saw earlier in the video, we divide it into the light fraction, which is the material that floats on the water, and the heavy fraction, the material that sinks to the bottom of our mesh basket. So we'll just talk about some of the things that we do find in each fraction. So in the light fraction we find pieces of wood charcoal. So think about if you've ever had a campfire, after the fire's burned out, you see these nice burnt pieces of wood. So these were, maybe the remnants of someone's fire to keep warm, someone's fire to cook with, or they were possibly part of a building that got burnt and destroyed. We also find a lot of grape seeds and olive pits. Those are food items that people were eating and then discarded the hard parts that they don't eat. I don't know what is in this sample right now. I'll take this back to my lab in Boston at Boston University and analyze it and see what all it contains. But in the heavy fraction then, as you can see, there's a lot of seashells, a lot of different materials. So these are all the hard materials that will sink, and we find a lot of bone in this. So we find a lot of fish bone too, and a lot of chewed up pieces of bigger bones, but we have a couple fish ribs here that I'll pick out for you. We also find some fish vertebrae, which are very tiny. So usually these types of bones get overlooked during the excavation and don't get collected by hand just because they're so small, they're easy to overlook. So this is a really good method to collect this type of material so that we can make inferences and try to understand, what types of fish the people in Ashkelon caught, what types of fish they ate, or what types of fish that they traded to eat or for other uses. So basically this is a whole other type of data class that we're able to get by processing soil samples.